Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI website called Beautiful AI. So let's get started. Beautiful AI is a software that helps you make slide presentation. Think of it as a computer helper for PowerPoint. It uses AI presentation technology to make your slide look good. You don't need to be a designer expert. It's a smart template adjust as you add your content. You can make a nice looking slide fast. Forget spending hours trying to align things. Beautiful AI does a lot of work for you. It's designed to make your presentation look polished even if you are not a designer. Plus, it aims to save your times and effort. Now, talking about the best features about this platform, Beautiful AI has some remarkable features that makes making a slide super easy. It's like having a design hub built right into your software. And here are some of the best things it can do for you. So one of the best features that this AI can do for you comes with these amazing features, which is the design and AI. It also comes with a customizable template, a customizable themes, together with a smart slide template and a setting up campaign objective together with the projected growth analysis. I'm talking about the pricing plan. It comes with three different plans. We have a free plan, a premium plan, and a enterprise plan, which is a custom plan. So if you want more information about this, you can quickly get back to the website, check the link in the video so that you can have access to the website and check out the plan that fits for your work or for your presentation. So talking about the pros and cons, knowing the good and the bad side can help you decide if it is right for you. So I'm going to create a quick overview about the strength and the weakness of this platform. So talking about the strength with the advantages part of this platform, anyone can make a slide on it. It is very easy to use. It also saves time and effort, keeps slide organized, and the presentation looks professional and ideas for tight deadline. So talking about the weakness, which is the downside, it comes with a limited customization and it is in internet dependency. The price structure can be a little bit frustrating, and the new features and the new user needs more time to understand their features. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this AI website. Thanks.